Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة التوبة: كالذين من قبلكم كانوا أشد منكم قوة وأكثر أموالا وأولادا فاستمتعوا بخلاقهم فاستمتعتم بخلاقكم كما استمتع الذين من قبلكم بخلاقهم وخضتم كالذي خاضوا أولئك حبطت أعمالهم في الدنيا والآخرة وأولئك هم الخاسرون. Translation: like those before you who were mightier than you in strength and had more wealth and more children, they enjoyed their share of world for a while. So you enjoy your portion as those before you had taken enjoyment of their share. And you indulged into vain discussion like that they were indulged in useless pastime before you. Yet their works of this world have perished, and nothing will remain for them in the hereafter, and as such they are the losers. The hypocrites were involved in gathering the pleasures of this world and gathering the wealth of this world at the cost of sacrificing their Islam and sacrificing their Iman, and they were lying for that reason. They were breaking promises for that reason, and they were breaking the trust and doing khayana for that reason. However, they forgot that they are not the only one in this world who have taken this path of sin and not following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There were nations before them, and those nations were mightier than them. They were more in wealth and more in children. But what happened? When their time came, they all perished and vanished, and they did not take anything from this world with them. The only thing they took was their actions, and their actions were sinful. So they will be rewarded in the hereafter with severe punishment for their actions. The same thing is being done by the hypocrites, that they are trying to do more and more pleasureful activities in this world and trying to gather more and more worldly wealth, but they should think about the nations before them, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala destroyed those nations, and how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give punishment to those sinful people before them. One important point that must be understood, that whenever a disbeliever or hypocrite is given any wealth or any pleasure in this world, it will act as a punishment in the end, because he will be involved more in the worldly life and will be busy more in gathering that wealth and gathering that pleasure. And this is called istidraj, in which a person gets more and more and deeper in the sinful life till the time of his death comes, and then he has nothing in his hand and he has no good actions, and he is the biggest loser of all times. These people get no real barakah or karama in this life. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people, and open our eyes now so that we can prepare for the hereafter. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.